If you are new to this channel, my name is Natasha and welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I love to post videos about fashion, purses, pretty stuffs, traveling, and everything that is beautiful. So if that is something that you like, please hit the subscribe button because it's free, guys. Subscribe, it's free. And also don't forget to like this video. Thank you very much. So today we will do the unboxing video of my summer favorite Bath and Body Works. Yay! So a couple days ago I went to the mall, of course, used a mask to protect myself, and shopped at the Bath and Body Works. And I got so many good stuffs here that I can say these are my summer favorites. Okay, are you ready? Let's do the unboxing. So it comes with this huge bag that the inside I have my summer favorites. So I have Sweet Pea Bath and Body Works shower gel. Of course you know this, it's pretty famous. You see? So this shower gel retail for $12.50 and it smells so good, smells like flowers, and it's a good shower gel. I believe all of you guys also loves Sweet Pea because it's one of the famous shower gel that Bath and Body Works produce. I got this one and another Sweet Pea shower gel. So total I have 3 shower gel of Sweet Pea. 1, 2, 3, because I want to have a stock of a Sweet Pea shower gel, so then by the time it's gone I still have something in stock. It's all retail for $12.50. One each is $12.50. And next I have also another Sweet Pea body cream. This one is body cream. So I have a pair of Sweet Pea shower gel and the body cream. And let me just try it on my hand. It smells so good. It's so sweet, like its name, Sweet Pea. So for this body cream, it's retail for $13.50. But you guys do not hesitate to purchase Sweet Pea body cream or shower gel because it smells so good. I really love Sweet Pea. Like, Sweet Pea is one of my favorite product at Bath and Body Works. So whenever I have time to go to Bath and Body Works or whenever it's time to restock, I always make sure I got some Sweet Pea. And guess what's next? Next is the addition of Peony. This is new addition to Bath and Body Works. Perfect Peony, the shower gel. It's retail for $13.50. So it's actually more expensive than the Sweet Pea shower gel that costs $12.50. But for this one, Perfect Peony, $13.50. It's still sealed. So let me try the body cream or the lotion that I got last time. I got the Bath and Body Works 24-hour moisture body lotion Perfect Peony as well. It smells so good. I smell at the store, but then I asked for the one that's still sealed. I got that for one. Another Perfect Peony. Another Peony shower gel. You still need more than one, right? This one. It's also retail for $13.50. And I also managed to have and purchased the Perfect Peony candle. It's like a 3-wick candle made with essential oils. Let me smell it. It smells so sweet, guys. I cannot wait to use this during bath time or in my bedroom. It smells so good, smells so sweet. How about you guys? Please comment below your favorite flowers at Bath and Body Works or your favorite product at Bath and Body Works. Comment below. I only managed to get one candle, which is the Perfect Peony. However, I got some seasonal product that they have is the American hand cream shea butter. It's American flag. Because when I purchased this one is in the month of July, and so then it's near 4th of July, which is American Independence Day, and yeah, it costs $6.50. It's small enough to put in your purse, so whenever you go somewhere and you feel like you want to put some lotion in your hand cream, then you can have this travel size hand cream. This one. Whenever you are in the plane, you can also bring this, because this small size, you can absolutely carry this in your carry-on. In your purse or your carry-on for traveling or just go out, you always ready with the Bath and Body Works hand cream that keep your hands moisture and smooth. So I also have the Raspberry Tangerine Body Lotion. It's like their seasonal product, probably during the summertime. Raspberry Tangerine. Let me just try a little bit in my hand. I love trying all their lotion there. It smells like raspberry mixed with tangerine. So you got that sweet and fresh, which is very good for summer. After swimming, after shower, you want to put some body lotion, and you can pick one of them is raspberry tangerine. So that's one of my favorite as well at Bath and Body Works. Next, we have the last one. We have Portofino Pink Prosecco. The color is like pink with orange, really summertime, really sweet, really fun, really summer edition. This is retail for $13.50. I'm curious to try this one. Okay. Let me try on my hand. It's so good, it's so smooth. It smells so good. I love this as well. Portofino Pink Prosecco. So let's put all on bag and back. The Perfect Peony. Another Perfect Peony. Another Perfect Peony. And also the shower gel of Perfect Peony. My Sweet Pea shower gel. 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. And my Sweet Pea body cream, the big one. And my travel size hand cream, the American flag edition. It's super cute. I really love this. And also the Raspberry Tangerine. Oh, I forgot to mention that this price of Raspberry Tangerine body lotion costs $13.50. And last but not least, my new candle of Perfect Peony. If you haven't tried this candle, I suggest you to try one because it smells so good, especially if you love peony flowers. And of course, course, Bath and Body Works has their annual sale, so you can get all the discount there, and it's super fun. You can check out their website to know more about the recent price, and I suggest you to go to your nearest Bath and Body Works, but don't forget to use mask to protect yourself. And yeah, that's all. My favorite summer product, my summer's favorite at Bath and Body Works. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. Don't forget to drink vitamin. Stay safe at home. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.